A lot of drivers misunderstand these 40 US road signs, and the DMV loves to test them. Learn them and pass with confidence. Let's go. Guess this traffic sign. A. Do not enter. B. No passing zone. Good start. That's the do not enter sign. Identify this road sign. A. Yield at roundabout. B. Yield. Correct. It is the yield sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Railroad crossing ahead. B. Railroad crossing, crossbuck. Correct. It is the railroad crossing crossbuck. Guess this road sign. A. Reindeer crossing. B. Deer crossing. Correct. It is the deer crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. School zone. B. School crosswalk ahead. Well spotted. It is the school zone sign. Which road sign is this? A. Parking permitted, 24/7 variant. B. Parking area. Great catch. It is the parking area sign. Guess this road sign. A. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. B. Pedestrians crossing. Correct. It is the pedestrians crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Narrow bridge. B. Narrow underpass. Excellent. It is the narrow bridge sign. What is this road sign? A. Speed limit ahead. B. School speed limit ahead. Nicely done. It is the school speed limit ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. Horse-drawn vehicles. B. Equestrian. Correct. It is the equestrian sign. Identify this road sign. A. Truck route sign. B. Truck entrance. Great observation. It is the truck route sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Slow-moving vehicle. B. Farm vehicles. Correct. It is the farm vehicles sign. Guess this road sign. A. Uneven surface. B. Uneven surface ahead. Great start. That's the uneven surface sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway ends. Correct. It is the divided highway begins sign. What is this road sign? A. One way. B. Straight through only. Correct. It is the straight through only sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Handicapped. B. Handicapped accessible. Well spotted, it is the handicapped sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep right of obstacles. B. Keep right. Correct. It is the keep right sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Turn right. B. Curve right. Great observation. It is the turn right sign. Guess this road sign. A. Flagger ahead. B. Workers ahead. Correct. It is the flagger ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Reverse turn, right. B. Reverse curve, right. Well spotted. It is the reverse curve, right sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep left. B. Keep left of obstacles. Correct. It is the keep left of obstacles sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Truck height limit. B. Height restriction ahead. Excellent. It is the truck height limit sign. What is this road sign? A. Reverse curve left. B. Reverse turn left. Correct. It is the reverse turn left sign. What is this traffic sign? A. National network route. B. Truck route sign. Well spotted. It is the national network route sign. Guess this road sign. A. Interstate route marker with state, 2 digits. B. Off interstate business route marker, 2 digits. Correct. It is the off interstate business route marker, 2 digits sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Lane ends merge right. B. Lane ends merge left. Excellent. It is the lane ends merge right sign. Which road sign is this? A. Passenger only ferry terminal. B. Vehicle ferry terminal. Great catch. It is the passenger only ferry terminal sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. No all-terrain vehicles. B. No snowmobiles. Correct. It is the no snowmobile sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Fire truck entrance. B. Emergency vehicle. Well spotted. It is the fire truck entrance sign. What is this road sign? A. No trucks. B. Lorries prohibited. Excellent. It is the no trucks sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Bike lane. B. Bike route. Correct. It is the bike route sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Crossroad. B. Offset side roads. Correct. It is the crossroad sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Side road at an acute angle right. B. Side road at an obtuse angle right. Correct. It is the side road at an obtuse angle right sign. Guess this road sign. A. Bear area. B. Bear crossing sign. Correct. It is the bear area sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Rest area. B. Lodging. Correct. It is the lodging sign. What is this road sign? A. No littering. B. Litter container. Correct. It is the no littering sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Traffic merging from right. B. Added right lane. Correct. It is the added right lane sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Gasoline. B. Diesel fuel. Well spotted. It is the gasoline sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Curve left. B. Turn left. Correct. It is the turn left sign. What is this road sign? A. Do not drive on tracks. B. Low ground clearance crossing. Excellent. It is the do not drive on track sign. Great job finishing the video. For more US road sign lessons, DMV study tips, and driving test preparation, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Continue learning with the videos on your screen, and we'll see you in the next one.